morning, guys. Today is January 12, 2025. We arrived last night. Me and Mike touched down the Burbank last night and trying to check what's happening in the patio. This big rubber tree fell off. Josh told me that, but he cannot lift it up by himself because needs at least 2 people. And let's see over here. The cover of this canopy, or the canopy, they're off, so Josh cut it up completely, and the plants are doing good. We'll buy a new, Mike will get a new one, a new cover, so I can still work here and the plants will not get burned. Okay, I'll show you okay, this is the see that there are ashes, too many ashes on each leaf of these succulents, and this is what happened here. Okay, this is my propagated too. You will see the ashes because of the wildfire, but I thank God, I thank the Lord for the protection He provided to everyone. So this one is you will see the ashes there from the wildfire. See the ashes. God is good. See those ashes there. So I need to check. This one also, because of the strong winds. The strong winds is the one that created the wildfire here in LA. Not only in LA, it started from the neighboring city. So that red tail cactus is doing good. It didn't this one fell off. This one I'm sure fell off. See that? They're good. Look at bougainvillea because of the wind. All the flowers died off or fell off. This one is flowering. Let's go back. Okay, my that one fell the greenhouse. Okay. Okay. Over here, this one fell off. That cactus, or this cactus too. And that's fine. Okay, the cactuses are good, no damage at all. Okay, God is good. We thank you for our great vacation and the safety